The Office of IRS Appeals and Alternative Dispute Resolution, ADR. This office emerged in 1927. By the way, in 3 years we'll be celebrating 100th anniversary of this office. This is an independent office within the IRS whose goal is to minimize litigation risk and help you resolve your case expeditiously before it goes into tax litigation. And for your knowledge, 90% of the tax court cases end up being settled prior to the actual litigation. You may need to file the court case, but in 90% you can settle it with the IRS. So this Office of Appeals and Alternative Dispute Resolution gives you that forum to address your issue. For many of you, it will be the first time you have a chance to talk with the IRS officer, because prior to that, you could not reach the officer, you could not reach an actual person. You may be in automated collection system, so you cannot reach an actual person to talk with. With this office, you can schedule a conference, and your tax representative and you, in some cases, can meet with the IRS to discuss your case. They have their experts in different industries that will enhance the opportunities to settle your case before it goes to tax litigation. So remember, the Office of Appeals and Alternative Dispute Resolution celebrates almost 100 years. It's an independent structure within the IRS. I know it may sound like an oxymoron to some, independent within the IRS, but the idea is they do have the so-called independent divisions within the IRS, meaning that they do have structures within the IRS dedicated to the oversight, such as Taxpayer Advocate Office, or this one, the Office of Appeals and Alternative Dispute Resolutions. So since we are coming on the 100th anniversary of this office, I want to encourage you to take advantage of that, to give the tax professional that can help you take advantage of this alternative dispute resolution before it goes to costly litigation. If you have to go the litigation route, our team can help you with that also. But the idea is to settle it here if possible. And the IRS really wants to create better opportunities for settling in this Office of IRS Appeals and Alternative Dispute Resolution. All the best to you. Stay well.